Wait, before I say anything, take a look at this. These kind of savage roast style videos pulling millions of views right now. And I'm not talking small numbers. I'm talking about 10 million, 20 million, and even 80 plus million views. Let me show you proof. Look at these videos. 85 million, 50 million, 17 million. Literally crazy, right? And the best part? Making these videos is ridiculously easy. You don't need to create images separately, you don't need to record voiceovers, you don't need complicated editing. Everything can be done in just 2 simple steps. Yes, just 2 steps. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral roast style videos using AI. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Now click on the menu and go to Apps. Inside Apps, open GPTs. In the search bar, search for Object Task English. You'll see multiple GPTs. If you choose the top one, it will generate English content. Now click on Start, and here's the cool part. Whatever object you type, the AI will turn into a roast style talking video script. For example, let's type aloe vera. Hit send. Now look at this. It instantly generates all the prompts and dialogues. You'll get multiple dialogue styles. You can choose whichever one you like. For example, maybe you want benefits style roast or something funnier. You can even type other object like lemon, coconut oil, tongue, teeth, or nose. Literally anything. The GPT will generate savage, funny dialogues automatically. Now copy the prompt you like. Next, open Chrome and search for Google Flow AI. Make sure you open the official Google Lab version. Click it and sign in using Gmail account. A new account usually gives you around 50 credits, which is enough. Now click on Create New Project. Pay attention here because this is very important. Most people miss this setting and then they complain that it only generates image, not videos. That happens because they skipped these settings. So don't skip this part. Inside the project settings, select Omni Flash. Then choose your aspect ratio. I'm making short reels, so I'll choose vertical format. Since my video is around 8 seconds long, I'll set the duration to 8 seconds and that's it. Now paste the prompt we copied earlier and hit generate. Now the AI creates the videos while it processes. Here's something cool. You can create 3 to 4 videos using one Gmail account. And once the credit finishes, just sign out and use another Gmail. Sign in again and you'll get more credits. Pretty insane, right? Now our video is ready. Let's preview it. And that's amazing. Now download it using Google button here. That's your first clip. If you want more scenes, it's simple. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow AI, generate again, and now your second clip starts rendering. That's literally the workflow. Generate prompt in ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, generate video, and repeat. You can create multiple clips this way. For example, if you ask for ChatGPT to teeth cleaning, tongue cleaning, dry lips, or anything, it will create prompts for all of them. Then you turn each prompt into one short video. If you generate 4 to 5 clips, you can combine them into one complete long-form video too. Here's another example. This time using aloe vera, let's see the output. Pretty good, right? And that's it. That's the full method. Just 2 simple steps. Step 1, generate the roast style prompt in using ChatGPT, and step 2 is turn that prompt into video using Google Flow. And that's all. No complicated editing, no voice recordings, no expensive tools, just AI. And now you know how these viral pages are creating millions of views so easily. This niche is still growing very fast, which means if you start now, you'll still have a huge potential. You'll still have a huge opportunity. So, if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.